How to sign up for Robinhood account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Robinhood account. Robinhood is a popular commission-free trading platform that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptos. It is designed to be user-friendly for beginners while offering the features like fractional shares, margin investing, and recurring investments. Here's how you can sign up or create an account on Robinhood. For that, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device, and in the search bar of the browser, here type in robinhood.com. This is the official URL of Robinhood. Once you have entered this URL, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Robinhood. Once you reach to this official website, here at the top right, you will be able to locate the sign up button. Now, you just simply need to click on the sign up button, and by doing so, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Here now, you will need to select your country or the region. Simply click on this text box and then select your country. Here I am going to select United States. Simply click on this option to select it. Once after selecting, now click on this continue button at the bottom right. Now here you will need to enter your personal details. In this first text box, enter your first name. After entering your first name, in the second text box at the right side, enter your last name. After that, enter your email address. After that, now you will need to create a unique password. Your password should contain at least 10 characters. Simply click on it and enter your password. Once after entering the password, you may also click on this I button at the right side of it in order to check your password. And once after entering all the details correctly, go ahead and click on this continue button at the bottom right. After that, you will be taken to this page. Now here, you will need to select your country code and then enter the phone number in this first field. After that, enter the residential address. Once after entering your address, now you can click on this continue button at the bottom right. Once after doing that, in the next page, you will be prompted to enter your date of birth, social security number, and citizenship status. Also, you will need to complete a short questionnaire about your investing experience and employment to comply with regulatory requirements. And in the next step, you will need to upload a photo of your government-issued ID for identity verification. It may be driving license, passport, or state ID. Once after entering all of the details, now review and agree to the terms, including the tax certifications. And once after doing that, you will be able to create an account on it. And once your account is verified, you can fund your account with any amount. It usually takes a day in order to verify your account. Once after funding, you can begin buying and selling stocks, ETFs, options, or cryptos on Robinhood. So this is how you can sign up for a Robinhood account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.